Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Monday CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a new lead into your Monday CRM sales pipeline? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a new lead into your Monday CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you have a lot of leads coming in, and if you don't add it into your Monday CRM, they can go under the wayside and be forgotten. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Monday CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Monday CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add a new lead into your sales pipeline, here on the left side, you're going to click on leads. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the leads you have in your Monday CRM. And in order to add a new lead, you can either click on this button, add lead underneath the lead name column, or you can click on the turquoise new lead button. Okay, once you do that, it's going to give you the option to go ahead and start filling out all of this information about your lead. So all of this is pretty much optional. However, I do recommend you go ahead and fill this out as much and complete as possible, because this is information you may need to reference back at a future date. Also, it's best to go ahead and put all the information in while it's fresh, because when you're a busy business owner, sometimes things get forgotten. So you might forget the information if you decide to do this tomorrow or next week. So we're going to go ahead and add this person in. Okay, so we put their name in here, and now you're just going to go box by box. However, you can also click right here on this little, I guess kind of like a little check paper, and it's going to open up the lead, and you can fill it out through here as well. If you just want to do it quickly, sometimes easier just to do the box. So we're going to click right here on new status, and then we'll change the disposition attempted to contact. Here we can go ahead and add their company. So if they don't work for either one of these companies, we can go ahead and just start typing it in, and then we'll click enter, and it adds a new company. And if we know their title, are they a CEO or a team leader? If there are a different title, you can go ahead and just type it in. The email address, go ahead and type that in, phone number, last interaction. So we'll go ahead and do this May 21st today. And then lastly, here on the right, we can go ahead and assign it to a team member. So I'm going to click right here, and now we can go ahead and choose the team member that this lead is assigned to. Now by default, Monday CRM doesn't have the people column, so you can easily just click right here on the plus icon all the way to the right. Once you do that, you click here on more columns, and here you can go ahead and add different lead data columns that are relevant for your business. Okay, so once you've added the lead into your Monday CRM, they may be connected to one of your deals you're currently working on. So you can click over here on the left, deals. Okay, once you click on deals, you can go ahead and add that contact into your deal. So for example, this one right here on 123 Front Street or 510 Main Street, you just click here into contacts. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and just scroll through, and then here is our new lead right here. We just click on their name. Okay, now you can see that we've added that lead into our new deal right here, 510 Main Street. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a lead into your sales pipeline using Monday CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.